Hi friends, let me show you this new 2-in-1 electric mosquito trap that I received for viewing purposes. It's a great unit because you can use it as a standalone mosquito trap. Let me show you. You get a USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it. Even screws if you want to mount it in a fixed place. And the user manual, okay? Okay. As you can see, you charge it here. You can use it as a mobile trap, or put it in the base and leave it like that. You can fix it to the wall with these holes and charge it here. Let's try it. Okay, so now that it's plugged and it's charging, it's on, as you can see. So any mosquito that comes through the metal wire, it has a 2800 volts electric current, so well, it will dispose of it immediately. Okay, so you could leave it like that. As you can see, it has two different power options: a full light option and a more dim light option. We're going to leave it like that and wait for it to charge. So we have charged it. Okay, you can turn it on here and leave it like that all night. That will have mosquitoes, flies, and whatever flies by it to be eliminated. And you have different light strengths, and you can do the same like this. Okay, when you have it charged, you can get out the portable part of it. Okay, and when you press both sides at the same time, you will have energy here, so you can swap any flying insect with it. Okay, so you can do it like this, pressing both sides, or have it in the base working permanently like this. You also can hang it from the wall with these holes, so this will help you to get rid of mosquitoes and other flying insects. Thank you so much.